Hey guys, this video is on my Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. They are extra durable and 4 times stronger with Durafoam. This comes with 2 pads, so these are great for so many things. Like if you think you can't get a stain out, you gotta try Mr. Clean first because it will probably help get your stain out. I love it for like my kitchen cabinets over here, which I actually need to use it on again. Like they're just those like little surface areas, and especially the bathroom, like the tile in the bathroom, you definitely need this. So it kind of tells you here like what removes impossible soils. So that's these with the extra durable. Sometimes I just buy the regular ones, but I've been needing like an extra clean with my tiles in the bathroom. They've been getting so dirty. So I use them with some bleach, and it really helps to get a lot of those heavy stains out. So it tells you what you could use this on: walls, bathrooms, sinks, and more. It's good for like walls because this isn't the color of my walls. It's like a light gray, but a lot of things will like show up on it. So my kids will like get markers, crayon, sticky juice, food on the wall, and the only thing really that takes out a lot of those stains is this Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, and it's pretty much good for like any kind of surface that you want to use it on. It doesn't leave any like stain or any like fabric left over, and leaves no streaks. So how to use: just wet, squeeze, and erase. So I'll just wet it a little bit and use it on my wall, scrub a little, and it'll really nicely get those stains out. Highly suggest having this in your cabinet with your cleaning supplies.